Hey everybody, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I'm so happy you're here with me. I hope you're well. Are you? Fantastic. Well, I know I'm excited today because I'm going to be harvesting my garlic, first year growing garlic. Decided to go ahead and pick my garlic because it's looking like it's starting to dry up like it's supposed to and leaving some green. So I said, let me get started picking it, and I'm glad I decided to do it today. I have some in the raised bed, but most of it's in the pot. So let me show you how it looks and let's get to it. Took my shovel and dug around this one just like this. They say you don't want to pull it from this part. It may damage the garlic, and you want to make sure that the coverings that you see, this dried up part, it created a covering on the outside of this garlic. You want to make sure you don't puncture it in any way. But this is garlic I purchased to use for reseeding from the grocery store. This was organic garlic I went ahead and used to reseed, and wow, look at the size of that garlic. I'm so happy with it so far. So what I'm gonna do is harvest the rest of them. So what I was telling you, you see how there's some green left, and see how it's starting to yellow with this one and dry this one out, and you see how all of this is dried. So, and I tried to water it some more, but it just did not want any more water. It wasn't taking anything. So I kind of figured, yeah, it's time to go ahead and give it a try. Some of these look very thin, so probably won't be such good size garlic, but this one was pretty thick, so I'm happy with that. But let's go ahead and finish harvesting, and let me see how much I got. I've harvested all of the garlic in this pot. I got 9. Which is great. I think I did plant 9 in here. That's all I could fit in here is about 9. So let's go over to my raised bed and see how those are doing. Look at the little worm. Oh, he's so cute. Give him time to find his way back in the soil. And then I'll go ahead and take this one. Here is where the garlic is temporarily while it's curing and drying out, because the soil is still kind of moist on some of them. So I'm gonna let them go ahead and dry out for the next couple of days, up to a week, and then I'll brush off all that dirt, clip down the roots, and then it'll be ready for storage. So surprised. Since I've had a good success with it this growing season, I will be doing it again. Planting it a little bit earlier in maybe November, December, and then letting it go from there. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted. About 2 days later now, and I went ahead and took them off the ladder and brushed off the dirt as much as I possibly could. I just used this soft bristle brush from the Dollar Tree, and it took off the dirt. I didn't want to take off too much of the dirt and bust and break into the garlic, so some of that I kept it on, but for the most part they all got very clean. I did also attempt a nice little braid, as you can see, so I can keep them all together, and I'm very, very happy with the results. Cut up some of the garlic. Look how juicy it is. The aroma is amazing, that garlicky smell. So I'm going to use this to put in my saute, my vegan saute tonight, with some cauliflower rice and some vegetables and things like that. Thanks a lot for spending time with me as I give you guys an update on my garlic harvest. Hope you get out in the garden and try to grow some as well. If you do, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys soon on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.